Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be walking you through the process of replacing a antenna on a Midland WR-120 weather radio. Please excuse that I'm talking weird. I got my spacer taken out and then put back in. So anyway, here's my WR-120. As you can see, there's no legs on it. You're going to need to take them off in order to open up the radio. So anyway, to get started, we need to have a replacement antenna, a Phillips screwdriver that will fit in this hole right here. And then we're just going to take screws out of right here, right there, like, just whatever screws you see, you're going to take out. So I'm going to take this out. Alright, now that we have all of our screws unscrewed, we can open up our radio. But before we do this, please note that you need to be very careful while doing this. There are some delicate parts inside that can easily be broken. Alright, so just gonna get our radio open. And there we go. So anyway, we're gonna let those 4 screws fall out. There we go, we have our 4 screws. And here's what the inside of a Midland WR-120 looks like. You can actually plug it in like this. I advise not to do it though, because you can get shocked. But anyway, so right here is where our antenna connects. So we're just going to take our new antenna and put it in there. So we're just going to unscrew it. We'll take these little things that are above and below it. Actually, no, we're going to leave the one that's below it there. Alright, there we go. Now we're going to place down our new antenna over that hole. And then we're going to take this here. I'm going to put it on the screw. And we're going to put the screw down in there. And then we're going to make sure it's going out through the antenna hole slot. Then we're just going to screw it in place. And there we go. Our antenna is now replaced. So now we just need to put the radio back together. So, anyway, this is where the battery compartment connects, if you didn't realize, by the way. It connects to 2 pads on the circuit board, part of the circuit board. So anyway, we're now going to put our radio casing back on. And we're going to take our screws and we're going to put them back in. Don't over tighten them. Make sure it's tight enough to hold it in place and make it not wobble. Just kind of turn it until it doesn't want to turn anymore, and then stop. You don't want to, like, force it or anything. Anyway, there we go. Our antenna is replaced, and yeah, it looks a lot better. So, we can go test it out now, so let me find an AC adapter here. So we'll go ahead and plug it in. And the radio has turned on, so that's a good first sign there. And now let's test it. What?
Lows in the up.
There we go.
Light, then becoming light and variable late.
So
Saturday.
The way you can test it is you can leave the antenna down and then pull it out and up and observe how the signal changes.
Mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. Southeast winds around 5 miles an hour. Sunday, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers in the morning, then showers likely in the afternoon.
And I heard a slight change in the signal, which means that my new antenna is working. So that means we've done it properly. So now if you don't hear it, don't worry, your antenna's probably still working. But yeah, if you do hear it, that means that it is definitely working. But yeah, there we go. WR-120 antenna replacement.
And now the extended